If you want to record sounds on the Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro, you can for sure do this, and all you have to do is just to click on the crown control button to open this menu with applications. And now, depends of the layout that you have to just search for this application. Take a look. Recorder, you have to tap on it. And now, if you are using this for the first time, you have to actually grant necessary permissions, and then if you want to start recording, you are just clicking here. And you can just record for almost how long you want, and there's unfortunately no way to pause this record. I didn't actually find any option to do this, and you can even do this in the background. So now you are on the main watch face. You can open the quick settings. You can just normally use your watch, but if you want to quickly go back to the sound recorder, you are just clicking on its icon, and you can finish by clicking here. You can save this, and by clicking here you are able to simply delete, change its volume, but also what you can do when you click and hold it, you can delete multiple files at once.